All right, so I'm at the gas station right now. I'm trying to fix my tire. Apparently I got a flat. Yeah, I didn't know I had a flat until I woke up this morning. And I got dressed, got all my gear ready. I'm set to go. I grabbed my wheel. I started moving it out the door and I'm hearing this noise. I'm like, what is that noise? I look down, it's a flat. I'm like, okay. I'm trying to figure out now, when did that happen? And I think I knew what happened. I was riding in Washington Square Park. Was it yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. And I remember I got to the park and I ran over some glass. I didn't know I ran over some glass. Some guy told me, yo, man, you just ran over some glass.
There's some broken glass right here.
Really? Right here?
Yeah, you just rolled over some, actually.
Oh, shoot. Man, I hate that stuff, man. I checked my tire. I was like, oh, shit. All right, it was pretty good, you know. Everything was fine. And I was riding around for like another 2 hours or so, you know. Came home, everything was good. Until this morning I checked and it's like, okay. So now I got some slime. I'm gonna see if this works. And hopefully it's not as serious or bad or anything like that. Maybe it's just like a small, tiny hole that just needs to be filled or something, I don't know. But yeah, let me get to work on this, man, and get it moving. Stuck in it. I haven't used it in a while. I hear it jiggling in there. It's just not coming out. Oh, there it is. Oh, I had to shake it up a little bit. Oh, man. You know what? This is going to get messy. I know it is. Man, let me get some paper. You know what? Let me walk to the gas station over here and ask these guys if they have some piece of paper or something. Because this is going to get messy. It probably will. Okay, hold on, let me just walk over here. I got my helmet sitting over there. Have nobody ride by and snatch it up. Can't even chase him down because I don't got no wheels. Should be good. Oh, shoot, sorry, man. You have like a piece of paper or something I could have, man, like tissue paper? Yeah, just something like this is fine, man. Don't make a mess out there, man. Just grab some tissue papers. I don't need a whole lot. Okay. Okay. Let's continue. Got that there. Let's put a little bit in there. I think I ran out. I think I have more tubes at home, but maybe I should put the whole bottle in. It wasn't there a lot. It was only a little bit, so let me see if I can get some more in there. All right, so I just finished putting the slime in, and I put a little bit of air in it, so I'm just gonna move it around just a little bit, just to get the flow of the slime, just, you know, circulating around the wheel. Okay. Okay. I just finished putting pretty hard right now. I don't have a gauge temperature, so I don't know how much pressure to put in my tire. I just kind of go by hand, you know. The way it feels in my hand, the way I squeeze it, that's how I, you know, that's how I tell. If it's good enough for me, it's good enough to ride. I have to get one of those one of those, you know, those pressure gauges, those air tire gauges, you know what I mean? Let me just take it for a little quick loop. Take a quick loop around, see how it feels.
Sila sa AFC Championship.
Feels pretty good. Actually feels good. How long it'll last? I don't know. Good question. All right, man. Just double check my tire, see if there's any puncture holes, you know, something sticking out that maybe caused it to leak. I'm not gonna lie, man, I had like a bump a couple days ago, a hard bump, man. I could have swore I dent my rim, but I checked and I didn't. I don't know if that did something. You know, sometimes you just hit a hard bump, an unexpected boom, and you go, whoa. It looks like everything's fine, man. But you know, who knows? Who tells? You know, who tells down the road what could happen? But we'll see. Just want to make sure everything's good. I think it's good, man. All right, let me pack it up. All right. Oh man, my nose is running. All right. Seems like it's good. Let's get ready to rock. Woo. Got one hand. All right, I'll be back. All right, so I'm heading back home now. Just took it for a little test spin to see how things felt. It felt pretty good. I might have to let some air out the tire. I'm getting a few wobbles as I'm riding, going like high speed. So I might have to let just a little bit of air out the tire. Just gonna go home, relax, chill for a little bit, let the wheels sit and rest, and see what happens over the next few hours. If the air goes out, if the air goes down or not, then you know I gotta replace it or patch it up or something.